Bullish Dydx value forecast is $2.369 to $7.22. The Dydx cost will likewise reach $10 soon. Dydx negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.009. In Dydx, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about Dydx to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Dydx, current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Dydx is $1.42 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $62,250,110 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, Dydx has diminished to 10.40% as of now. Besides, Dydx has a flowing stock of 65,569,295 Dydx. Presently, Dydx exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, MEXC, Binx, OKX, and Bybit. What is Dydx? Dydx is a decentralized trade stage for digital money edge exchanging for resources like BTC, ETH, SOL, Spot, and some more crypto resources. Besides, the promotion around Dydx has strengthened in light of the fact that the trade at last presents an unmistakable decentralized and never-ending trade BitMEX, FTX, and Bitfinex. Dydx is a splendidly executed decentralized crypto subsidiaries trade with a plenty of edge exchanging and interminable for everybody. Other than having a sharp name, Dydx has filled a convincing specialty inside the crypto exchanging domain. Dydx, value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Dydx laid the even channel design, flat channel otherwise called sideways pattern, to show how the cost is obliged between the upper line of opposition and lower line of help. Flat channels are pattern lines that join variable value ups and downs. At present, Dydx is at $1.42. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of Dydx could arrive at the opposition level of $1.49, $4.20 and $7.22. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Dydx might tumble to $1.009. The outlines show that Dydx has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Dydx could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $7.22. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the Dydx could fall to nearly $1.009, a negative sign. Dydx, value forecast 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Dydx is displayed in the beneath diagram. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for dealers. Right now, the RVOL of Dydx lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Besides, the moving normal, Mama, of Dydx is displayed in the above diagram. Strikingly, the Dydx cost lies under 50 Mama, present moment, so it is completely in a descending pattern. As of now, Dydx is in a bullish state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of Dydx whenever. In the interim, the overall strength file, RSI, of the Dydx is at a degree of 41.72. This implies that Dydx is in an almost oversold state. In any case, this gives certainty to the brokers to exchange with next to no trepidation. Dydx, value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file, ADX, of Dydx. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Dydx. At present, Dydx lies in the scope of 28.889, so it demonstrates areas of strength for A. From the above graph, The overall unpredictability file, RVI, of Dydx. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time instead of cost changes. The RVI of Dydx lies over 50, showing higher instability. Truth be told, Dydx's RSI is at 41.72, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Dydx with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dydx. From the above diagram, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and Dydx are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Dydx likewise increment or decline separately. Dydx, value expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Dydx could presumably accomplish $16.50 by 2023. Dydx, value expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Dydx could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Dydx could energize to hit $18.60 by 2024. Dydx, value expectation 2025. If Dydx supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, Dydx would mobilize to hit $20. Dydx, value forecast 2026. On the off chance that Dydx supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Dydx would mobilize to hit $23. Dydx, value expectation 2027. On the off chance that Dydx supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Dydx would mobilize to hit $27. Dydx, value forecast 2028. If Dydx holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a critical cost rallies. In this manner, by 2028, Dydx would hit $31. Dydx, value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dydx, it would observe significant spikes.